I'm going to show you how to make a drink called a Czar. Now, in order to do this drink, you can either do it over ice, the way I'm going to show you, or you can chill all of your ingredients first and then stir it into a glass. So the way we're going to do it, we're going to start off with some ice. You're just going to fill your glass about halfway full and strain out any excess water. Then I'm going to add to this 1 part each of the following. 1 ounce of Grand Marnier, which is an orange-flavored liqueur. 1 ounce of vodka. Any brand will do, so just pick your favorite. 1 ounce of your favorite white wine, just like that. And a splash of orange bitters. And a splash of lime juice. So this is going to be sort of a version of a white wine spritzer, but with a vodka kick. Go ahead and shake it up. And then you're going to pour this, rocks and all, into glass. And there you have it, a Czar. Cheers.